Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm Fatma Sumro, Assistant Professor, Government College for Women, Shara Liaquat, Karachi. This is the second part of my lecture number 3, that is designed for BA Part 2, BCom Part 2, and second year humanities. Means of transportation in Pakistan. The second part consists on the railways. The history of railway. The idea of a rail network was first thought in 1847 by Henry Edward, Commissioner of Sindh at that time. On May 13, 1861, the first railway line was opened to the public between Karachi city and Kotri with a total distance of 105 miles. In Pakistan, trains were the primary mode of transport until the 70s, but since then their share has declined due to a shift in government focus from rail to road transport. It is under control federal government Ministry of Railways, headquartered in Lahore, and the railway stretch over 8,000 kilometers, about 4,800 miles in Pakistan. Importance of railways. Yes, railway is the single major mode of transport in public sector, contributing to economic growth and providing national integration. It is the cheapest and safest mode of passengers and goods. Pakistan Railways comprises of total 470 locomotives, in which 458 are diesel engines and 12 steam engines for 7,791 kilometers length of route. During fiscal year 2019 July to February, gross earning grew by 10.3%. About 34,000 During fiscal year 2019, number of passengers carried increased to 39.9 million. Freight means goods carried tons million grew 2.9%, and freight tons kilometer million grew 7.8% within a year 2019. The Pakistan Railways network is divided into two main lines and branch lines. Main line 1 Karachi Peshawar line, ML2 Kotri to Attak line, ML3 Rohri Chaman line, ML4 Quetta Kaftan line, and ML5 Taxila Punjab line. Whereas there are almost 20 branch lines in front of you. Hyderabad Badin branch, Hyderabad Khokhrapar branch, Bahawalnagar Fort Abbas branch, and etc. Earning of Pakistan Railways, it is a chart for you, just 2008 and 9. We have no change. 2009 to 10% minus 5.5% change, and accordingly from 2008 2009 to 2018-19, the source of Ministry of Railway, and according to the Pakistan Economic Survey, there is 10.3% change in earning of Pakistan Railway. Passenger and free traffic, gross earning 10.3%, in freight tons 7.8%, change freight carried tons 2.9%, passenger traffic 11.9%, and number of passenger carried 11%. Change in 2019. New initiatives under public-private partnership. Pakistan Railway has started trains between Lahore and Karachi on February 3, 2012, to provide high-level passenger services, and 18 more trains by Ministry of Railways were started at that time, in which Business Express train Lahore, Khanewal, and Lodhra, Karachi. In 3rd February 2012, Shalimar Express train Lahore, Faisalabad, Multan, Karachi. 24 February 2012, and night coach train Lahore, Faisalabad, Multan, Karachi. 15 January 2013. Pakistan Railways Vision 2026. Under this vision, company company want to increase share from 4% to 20%. Rail upgradation is included under China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, includes new locomotives, development and improvement of current rail infrastructure, an increase in average train speed, improved on-time performance, and expansion of passenger services. The first phase of this Vision 2026 is completed in 2017, and the second phase is scheduled for completion by 2021. Besides this, Pakistan Railway is an active member of the International Union of Railways. During fiscal year 2019, Pakistan Railways served 70 million passengers. The problems of Pakistan Railway are overage infrastructure, old track of many lines, shortage of engine locomotives, outdated signaling system, union activities, overstaffing, and shortage of funds. The solution of such problems are we can solve these problems by maintenance of tracks, complete projects on early basis, proper use of funds, and if possible, some public-private partnerships can be increased. Thank you so much. Stay home, save lives.